In today's guide, I'll show you how to connect AirPods to your Hisense Android Smart TV, whether you want to pair your AirPods Pro 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or the latest 4th generation, or the AirPods Max via your Hisense TV's Bluetooth settings. To connect your AirPods, first we'll need to open up our TV settings from the top right corner. From there, we will scroll down, select Remotes and Accessories, then open Add Accessory. Now, if you have any of the AirPods or AirPods Pro from the 1st, 2nd or 3rd generation, then you will need to open their lid, and after that, press and hold the setup button at the back of your AirPods until you see the white LED blinking. And in case you have the latest AirPods 4th generation, then open the lid, and while the light is on, double tap right below the LED and it will go into pairing mode. Now you can just select your AirPods using a remote, then confirm the pairing pop-up, and your AirPods will be connected. Those of you who have the AirPods Max, you'll need to press and hold the noise cancelling button until you see the white pairing LED. After that, just select it with your remote. So now you can go ahead and enjoy music, stream content on your Hisense TV with your AirPods.